Same alarm, same crowded train, gray buildings calling out my name. Another week I try to survive, but somewhere deep inside I needed air, I needed light. Saturday morning, coffee in hand, friends waiting near the trail again. No fancy plans, no place to race, just tired hearts are looking for a slower pace. Step by step, the noise fades out, trees are singing over the town. We don't have to say too much, the wind already knows enough. Walk with the wind, take your time tonight. Leave the noise behind, we're alive again. Morning light shining through the trees, side by side we breathe, slowly, naturally. Someone laughs beside the hill, someone quietly standing still. Stories hidden behind their eyes, but somehow here nobody has to hide. Warm sunshine on an old wood bench, cold coffee and a little rest. The city feels so far away, like all the weight is slowly blown away. Step by step our hearts align, every breath feels more alive. Maybe healing looks like this, a simple road and people you don't want to miss. Walk with the wind, under open skies. We don't need to run, we don't need to fight. Take it slow, we can start again on this winding road. We are not alone, the city waits beyond the trees, but something in us finally breathes. Step by step we'll be okay.